Friend of me, any me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, any me. All these niggas just.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey y'all, happy day to you all. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, okay? Thank you so much. Make sure you stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, make sure you press that subscribe button immediately, okay? Let's get into this. Okay? We have another Outre wig, and today's duties today is to go make this money, period. Make this money, and the best way for me to make this money is when I'm looking fabulous, okay? So I gotta go to work tonight, and I plan to make that money tonight, okay? I'm not no stripper, but I'm a server. Serve me your coins immediately for the new wig. We going with another melted hairline, okay? And her name is Breena. We going full bob on them today. The color is DR4/Golden Honey. And we're gonna get right into Breena, because we got things we gotta do. Alright, let's get into it. Here's our girl Breena. Melted hairline, 10 inches. Let's open up the card. And we have some more colors. I got this one right here. This girl right here with the blonde. This me. This what I got. This one is a soft HD transparent lace. It is a 5-inch deep parting. It is completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, and a pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, and redesigned custom fit ear contour. This is our wig. We going blonde on them. This is our elastic band. This is our HD lace. And here is our sideburns and baby hairs. And we have 2 combs, two in the front, 2 in the front, and 1 in the back. Okay, let's put her on. Breena. What do you think about Breena, guys? I like Breena. This is like kind of yaki-ish hair. It feels really good. It feels very lightweight. One thing I can say about melted hairline wigs is that you're gonna have an easy job with the lace. I feel like the melted hairline wig, they melt with your skin so well. I love it, because I have another bob wig like kind of similar to this that I had in like color 1B, and I wear that thing like an everyday wig, okay? And it blends in every time with my hair, hair, whatever, and I love it. Like, this lace was too easy. Look at that. I love how it does not touch my neck. I hate when hair like really touch my neck. Like, if it's gonna be a bob, I need that thing to not touch my neck. I need this to be like that. When they have the bobs that be like on my shoulders start to bend in the back, you know what I mean? Like, have you ever had those wigs where it's like short but kind of medium-ish, and like in the back it start like flipping because your neck and your shoulders keep bumping it to where it keeps not staying really in place, if that makes sense. I want the bobs that don't do that and don't be in my way. I needed to do like that. I feel like I liked it more once I gave Breena a little edge right here and flat ironed it a little bit. Like, I feel like once I put the flat iron in it, it gives it more of a natural look. It takes away from that synthetic look and feel that it first had. When I was just feeling it, it just like touching it at first, like when I first pulled it out, it was kind of feeling like very synthetic-y, and I'm like, put the flat iron through it because it will wake that up, okay? And I feel like the flat iron woke it up a little bit, like snap into it. But you see when you flat iron it, it does that. Just comb it out, babes. Just comb it. That is our blonde, baby. I look good. And what you finna tell me? I look fly. I look good. Touch my hair. Wish you could. I look fly. I look good. Yeah. Really love this one, okay? I low-key want it in a solid color too. I kind of want it in a black color or a brown. Cause it's just like these type of bobs you can wear. These are like everyday type of wigs. You can't go wrong, okay? Let's do one more twirl and we're gonna end this video, okay? Y'all put in the comments and tell me what you think about this wig. Shout out to Outre. I am good for my work shift tonight and I better make that money. And y'all better say something about my wig. Y'all better say it's cute. I know they will, because every time I change my hair up, they always tell me my hair is so cute. And I ain't been cute in a while at work, so I know it's going to be like, hello, I'm in the building. Yeah, I'm in the building. Anywho, it's time to wrap this thing up. It's time for me to get going. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on all social medias, and I'm out, baby. Peace.